Hey Jessica.
What?
You're on film. Well, here we are at the Alta Lake State Park. We got the tents up. And just Jessica and I are here now. We're having a slight problem with being completely overrun by bees. I just got a wasp trap and it seems to be working. If you look, there's about a zillion bees buzzing around there.
I'm gonna catch one.
Well, it looks like there's another one fixing to go. Back up, babe.
Another one went in there.
They're all over the place. And there's a bunch in the trap. But hopefully it will get some more. We couldn't even eat because they were landing on our sandwiches and stuff. Aside from the bees, it's actually very beautiful out here. There's the mountains run along there. And down there you can see the lake. We're going to go down there and go swimming a little bit. I don't know how you can see that. Well, that sun's not too bad. Most of the camping's up there. We come down here because you can have fires down here. And a lot of people bring their boats and things. What? Don't poke me, honey, when I'm doing this.
Daddy.
Uh-huh.
Can I go play with the trees? I am gonna go get someone. Now where's the path?
Looking down the other way. Oh, the car's starting to come in now.
No.
Jessica's got a tent pole as a weapon.
Yeah.
Well, if you look over there, there's a little family of quail. Here's one. There's one right there.
Must be the quail family.
Sure is. There's a few of them right there. One stayed over here all by himself. He's gonna run to catch the rest. A bunch of them flew.
They slide, don't they?
Yeah, they mostly run though. Most of them flew just a minute ago.
Last night in Cheers.
Yeah?
Who's this cute gal?
Look at this babe right here.
She's an ill little babe.
She's a what?
An ill little babe.
Yeah. Really hurts old Sam. Looks kind of like we're out in the desert, doesn't it? Well, here we are to record this glorious event. Aqua and Alicia are hard at work on a puzzle.
Hey, turn that off! How embarrassing. Don't shut off.
It's like movie stars, they cover up their face. No pictures, no pictures. You know, these are good chances these are going to end up on the Inquirer. Oh man, I'm glad that didn't just hit me. What was it?
Cigarette case.
Oh.
Jessica's gonna get mad at you when she sees it.
Yeah, that's right.
Go take a picture of Jessica. Yeah, go take a picture of Jessica sleeping. Don't, your darling daughter. I guess there's no film. There's no film in there, is there?
Yeah, we're recording right now.
You're lying.
A little line in the bottom says REC, record.
You're lying.
It's, oh man, I got something on the...
He's lying. He always says that.
Where are you guys going?
Somewhere. Be on the rainbow. Just go and knock it off, please.
They're going to talk to boys. Here's sweet little Jessica. Poor thing, woke us all up this morning. Tracy and I woke up to the sound of Jessica vomiting in the tent with Alicia and Aquin, and them screaming, of course. Poor Jessica is not feeling very well today. We hope she's doing much better now, but she's wrapped up in a sleeping bag, sleeping outside. She didn't want to go back in the tent. There's the pile of blankets that are full of throw up. We can try to figure out some way to wash those today. There's lots more people out here today. Over here is our personal beehive. That thing, you probably can't tell, some little kid dumped dirt in it. But it's full of dead yellow jackets now. And there's more going in it all the time. You see a bunch swarming around it. There's about 1 trillion of those things out here. Yeah, there's some. I don't know what exactly their mission is, except to really bug the heck out of us. Oh, there's Alicia and Aquin talking to boys. Yep. Alicia, the walking hormone. Boy, Alicia, I can zoom in and see your nose from here. Yeah. There's something on it. Tracy's in the Jeep sleeping. She's not feeling so hot either. She's not sick, she's just kind of sick of it. She wants to go home and go to bed. And the girls were not at all excited when Tracy mentioned going home. It's really cool up there. Here I got a little date and time action. You can see that now. 8:36 a.m. September 1st, 1991. Believe it or not, we've been up since I think it was like 5:52 when Jessica started throwing up. Pretty much been asleep since then. I think I dozed off for a couple of minutes afterwards, but there wasn't much peace after that. There we go. Boy, we got all kinds of stuff on there. Alta Lake State Park, 8:46 a.m. September 1st, 1991. Well, here's the lake. And see, there's mountains all around. It's a beautiful little lake. Boats out there. You probably can't see those very good over there. But then you can see some of this stuff. Back down there is where we're camping. And see, over there is the swimming area. I'll lose the title here. There's the swimming area, and there's a raft you swim out to. There's the beach. Not very crowded yet. It's pretty cool out this morning for some reason. It's probably about 50 something degrees. We're still wearing sweatshirts. Ooh, there are some maniacs in the water. The water's freezing. Alright, I paused it for a minute to get up against the post that's stationary. Boy, they're nuts. The water's really cold. Yesterday when it was hot, I could barely stand to go in. There's a boat, a couple people out, nobody's skiing yet. Still pretty cool. Back up a little bit. I don't know what that grassy area is down there. Haven't quite figured that out. It's like one strip. I don't know. As you can see, this is all really pretty up here. But there's a lot of rattlesnakes around here. We haven't seen any. We've been watching out. They had a rattlesnake warning sign up back there. I don't know if you can see the water. It's a little bumpy here, but actually the water's really clear. Did some diving yesterday and stuff like that. Alright, I think I'll head back. Here she is. Sweet little thing.
Two lovebirds together. Tracy,
Don't we look like lovebirds?
put your head up.
I
Aww.
can't see us because the sun's shining behind us.
But they're both tired because Tracy had to get up because Brian was snoring last night.
It wasn't me, it was a grizzly bear. He was outside.
Zoom.
Hey,
Making
why
noise.
don't we get to the store and get that over with while Jessica's asleep? And you
Now
two
we'll go
can
see
stay
their
here.
lovely daughter. Look at Alicia.
Jessica, how you feeling, honey?
And there she is, Jessica.
Jessica, how you feeling?